Alright, what's on everyone? So today in this video what I'm doing is, well, I'm unboxing my first FTP piece ever. Really my first impression of FTP. I've never owned a piece from them. I've seen it. I've seen FTP, but I've never actually owned a piece from them. So today, you know, we're just unboxing like a sort of just not like anything crazy from them. You know, we're just really getting our first impression, you know, the quality, all that sort of stuff, and seeing how it matches up to other brands like Supreme, what I'm wearing, and, you know, just some other brands I have in my collection. We're gonna see how it really adds up and how, you know, if they're any better, or, you know, let's just see what they're doing right now. See how FTP is, because they're coming up right now strong. And I think they got a lot of potential, and that's just my initial thoughts. But we're gonna see what this is like, and then I'm gonna let y'all know from there. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If new and want more, you know, just videos like this, you know, random unboxings, Supreme dropless content occasionally, Supreme Leagues, blogs, just anything like around hype streetwear, even sneakers, like anything. I pretty much do it all. Y'all can subscribe here for that, and also drop a like too. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into this video. So my main thing is I hope y'all will enjoy this one, and yeah, subscribe, like, let's get started. But this doesn't need to be a long video. Like, I haven't made a lot of videos that have been very long recently. Like, they've just been short and to the point videos, and that's it. So this one's pretty much the same. We're really just gonna get into unboxing it. So small package, it's a small item, it's a tee from FTP. So, you know, thought that would be best, you know, just start out with a small item, and then, you know, if I like it, then we're gonna start doing bigger unboxings with brands like FTP now included. Luckily these are easy to open, so I don't need, you know, like the kid scissors. You know how I usually get those, and never mind. All right, but here we are. He did say I probably should throw it in the wash before I unbox it, but, or not before I unbox it, before I put it on. But, you know, it's too late for that. Like, we got the camera rolling, we got everything going. I got the tea even in my hand. It is a bit dusty in there though. Like, it's not necessarily like, you see that? That's a little, ugh. I don't know about that one, Chief, but we're just gonna set that down over there, and just made a mess all over my ground, which is awesome. But he did actually leave a note inside the shirt, and I just got stuff all over me, but it's okay. We're gonna keep going. This is not turning out the best so far. I'm covered in like, ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna need to vacuum. But he did send me a note, or keep a note with the shirt. So of course, you know, we're gonna give him one, because I'm cool with that. You know, if you sell me something, then and you send a note with it, then of course I'm gonna say. So he said, hey, thanks for the purchase. Hope you enjoy the shirt. Can you give me a shout out? And he's pretty straightforward with it. You know, has an exclamation point, all that on it. He said, P.S. love your vids. Thank you, I appreciate that. But here is his Instagram. I'll pop that up. So it's Besmo Daniel, and his girl is 29 Kick, if I read that right. They'll both be on the screen, but shout out to him, I appreciate it. And of course, you know, if anybody sells me stuff, they want a shout out, notes, or any of that, you know, toss me a deal. I got you. I'm being a little bit too chilled over right now in front of the camera. I need to actually unbox the item. Thank God I didn't almost reveal it. Basically, here is what it says. Basically, FTP and Pro Club, as you guys can see, and this is just a little reflective tee we got here in gray. Looks like it's gonna fit me nicely. Gotta get that off there though. It's just a really basic like FTP tee. Like, you see that, like, it's nothing, like, there's nothing crazy about this. It was not expensive to cop. Big fan of the little collar though we got here. Like, I think that's sick, where it just says FTP all along with a little repeat thing. I think they did a good job with that. Definitely respect it for sure. And then the FTP thing also in white font right there. You know, I think that's cool. Little small logo. Actually, why I like the tee is for that, and the colorway too. Like, I haven't actually owned like a gray tee, so getting this now is actually pretty nice. It's a good feeling for sure. But yeah, FTP, solid. I'm glad that I got it. Material feels nice as of so far, but the ultimate test is actually putting it on. This is the most comfortable Supreme tee I own, so maybe a little bit unfair. So we're actually gonna compare it. We're gonna compare it with this tee, you know, just seeing how high of expectations I have with this one. But we're gonna see what FTP is like. It's my first impression of it ever. I've never put on anything FTP at all, whatsoever, none. All right, so Supreme tee is off. Y'all can see it there. I'm putting on FTP right now. All right, so here we are. You know, fits nicely. I like it. I think it's a good fit. Overall, you know, again, it fits well, so that's, I'm happy with that. I think that's really good. They know their sizing. That's awesome. I feel like I'm pretty close to like an actual medium. I'm like 5'9", 5'10", right around there. So, you know, I fit pretty close to the standard, to say the least. I don't think it's as comfortable as this one, but this is the most comfortable Supreme tee I've worn. And this one isn't as broken in as this one, to say. I mean, do you really break in shirts? Not really. But if you get what I'm saying, you know, just this tee, I find it to be really comfortable. It's not, again, it's not as comfortable as this, but I'm not going to judge off everything. I do have a Palace tee that also is super comfortable when I first put it on. I'm sure I'm going to need to wash this too to actually get like all that, you know, because it's been through shipping. I showed y'all what was actually in the shipping bag. It was a little nasty, but really going over all that, all the details. This tee, it's awesome, it's dope, you know, little design, it's cool. I didn't really overpay for this either. I did not put that much towards it. FTP, it does resell, but it's nothing like too crazy at this point, I think. Tee, you know, I like everything about it so far. I mean, it's a great tee. I don't really want to talk about it too much more other than FTP is comfy, It's not as comfortable as Supreme to me, but there's no hate towards FTP. It's still awesome. And it's probably just as comfortable as like around Palace or any of that, but Palace also can be more comfortable than Supreme. Like when I first put on my first Palace tee, that was way more comfortable. But then as I like started to wash it, you know, it got less comfortable, basic stuff like that. I machine washed it, so that's probably the mistake. It's cool. I mess with it, I f with it. And that's really what I think about FTP. Is it dope? Yes, it is. Is it basic? No, it's different. FTP is a little different. Is it comfortable? Yeah. Anyways though, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you want more content like this, go subscribe. I'll be doing more FTP stuff for sure. I like it. I mess with it. And you know, I don't know if I'm gonna start doing like reviewing drops and things like that. You know, I'll maybe doing, you know, some small unboxings featuring a couple of pieces, nothing crazy. I'm still mainly probably will focus on like Supreme and other brands like that, just because, you know, that's what goes right now. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead, subscribe, drop a like. All of that would be largely appreciated. And you know, I'm just trying to focus on a lot of stuff right now, so you know, I am busy, so hopefully this video gets out today. I'm gonna try my hardest, but just know the boy has some stuff to do right now and he's a little busy, but I'm gonna try my hardest for sure. So just thank you all for watching. It means so much to me, really, like honestly it does. And yeah, let me know what you all think of FTP down below, and I'm gonna close it out here with that. So follow me in the description if you want to also, and I'm out. So I'm Tristan, thanks for watching, and peace out.